Hi, and welcome to lesson number 12 of 2-Minute Teaching Tips. Today our topic is teaching theories, and I am going to give you a crash course in some basic ideas that all of us hear about, read about, study about when we are in education. All right, today I'm playing some Bach. It's an auditory cue to help you learn that there are 3 different styles of learning in a very simplistic platform. All right, so we have VAK, visual, audio, and kinesthetic. Are your students learning by looking and watching? Are they learning by listening? Or are they trying things out physically in a kinesthetic style? Good teachers will change up their presentations, they'll change up their assignments so that we can appeal to all the different ways that students learn. Now, complementing this idea is the idea of Gardner's multiple intelligences. And that tells us that there are different ways that people are smart. So, a quick list: self-smart, picture smart, music smart, body smart, people smart, word smart, logic smart, nature smart, and some include existential smart. Now, when you think about these different intelligences, it helps you understand why there are some kids that may be brilliant in math, but not so great at reading. Or there might be students who don't do so well academically, but have more friends than anybody else on the playground. So again, of course, we do what we can to appeal to those different intelligences and those different ways of learning. Finally, you should know about Maslow's Hierarchy of Needs. The very simple lesson from this theory is that if a person's basic needs aren't met, they can't approach learning in the most successful way. So that is one of the reasons why we make sure that our students know that we love them, we care about them. We want to make sure that they're fed. We want to make sure that they're comfortable so that they are set up for success for learning. I hope this sets you up for success. So stay safe, stay well, stay at home, and take care. Thanks.